In this part we will make this part. This part we can select this and this only and Alt Q to isolate. Then I come from front to put a line from here. Then I will put shift to increase this. In this vertex I can put fillet to fillet this. Then I need to select this line and make outline. Perfect. I can extrude this. Then I can mirror to other part. In the other part we can adjust little bit the vertices of the line. Here we only need to adjust this and this to be okay. Perfect. It's okay. It will be perfect, and we can put little bit segments on it like this. Again, we can put tessellate to add segments in the other sides. Here, two, okay, one, and then tessellate again to the another one, and zero tension and mesh smooth and mesh smooth. Perfect. From left view, okay, we can put in front of this. Perfect. We can select this nail to put it here. By scaling this, I can put it here. Little bit rotation with this. Perfect. We have here angle. I need to put this angle here and put sweep to the angle and bar. Then I can increase these radiuses to make this model. Then we have to put a cone. If I put a cone here with bigger radius, then I can make it smaller radius here. Okay, I need to put this cone here. Then I need this height to be here. Perfect. Okay. Maybe we need bigger height and smaller radius. Perfect. So we need some segments here, or more segments in the height. Now we need to select to put edit poly and select these edges and ring. Then I can extrude all of this. Sorry, extrude it from here. Little bit moving. And extrude. Okay, then I can put mesh smooth modifier to smooth all of this. Perfect.